Hello everyone, Grace from Jimmy IoT. In rare cases, devices may require an upgrade during testing, before shipment, or during troubleshooting. The upgrade schemes and procedures may vary for different device models depending on the solution selected. We provide 3 upgrade schemes: flashing, memory card upgrade, and OTA. In today's video, I will explain the differences in the firmware upgrade measures for the JC371 series as well as the specific operational steps. This series is designed with separate video modules and power management modules. The upgrade procedures for these 2 modules are different, therefore we will discuss them separately. Firstly, let's cover how to upgrade the power management module. The upgrade can be done via cable flashing, which involves using a specific flash tool installed on your computer. You can monitor the upgrade process and get immediate results. This method requires physical access to the device. Generally, the power management module doesn't need upgrades. If an upgrade is necessary, please follow the steps introduced in this video. Before starting, please contact your account manager to get the latest firmware package for a specific model. Prepare the following tools or materials. Then proceed with the following steps. Download the upgrade package via the provided link and unzip it. Download the upgrade tool JC371 communication module upgrade tool via the provided link and unzip all, including the following files. Go to Computer Management, Device Manager. Connect the JC371 unit to the computer via the debug cable. Right-click the icon with a yellow exclamation mark under Other Devices. Select Update Driver. Click on Browser My Computer for drivers to install the debugging driver. If the driver is already installed, the computer will recognize and show it. Once installed successfully, the yellow exclamation mark disappears and the port information will display, such as 27. Here, COM27 port will be used for flashing. Use the power cable to connect the device to the DC power supply. Within 30 seconds, connect the debug cable to the Type-C port on the device. Launch SSCOM. Set COM number to COM27 and baud rate to 1100-1500. Then click Open COM. Enter edit command status in the dialog box and click Send. When data appears in the window, the connection is successful and you can proceed with the flashing. Connect the power cable B positive to the positive of the DC power supply and ground to the negative. Ensure the debug cable is also connected to the device and computer while keeping the DC power supply off. Open IoT Flash Tool and launch Flash Tool. The functional panel is on the left. Do all operations on the default page. Click Open and select the config file from the upgrade package folder. The Flash Tool will automatically load all necessary files. Select COM27 from the COM port drop-down and click Start. The flash button changes to Stop, indicating it's waiting for flashing. Within 30 seconds, turn on the DC power supply to make the device enter power on state. Once powered on, it will start flashing automatically, and you will see the progress in percentage at the bottom. When the progress bar reaches 100%, a dialog will appear saying Success, indicating the flashing is complete. Click on the dialog, disconnect the debug cable, and power on the device again. The LED indicator will light up, confirming the upgrade was successful. You can check if the upgrade is successful by sending the version command via SMS or the designated platform, or by sending edit command status in SSCOM. Please note, if you have previously installed the relevant driver, it will be recognized automatically, and you won't need to install it again. If you click Start and no device is connected within 30 seconds, an error message will appear. You will need to click Start and power on the device. That concludes how to upgrade the power management module. Any future optimization of the process will be based on this. This video module can also be done via cable flashing, which allows you to monitor the process and get immediate results. This method requires physical access to the device. Before starting, please contact your account manager to get the latest firmware package for your specific model. Prepare the following tools or materials. Then proceed with the following steps. Download the package via the provided link. Download the upgrade tool JC371 video module flash tool via the provided link and unzip all, including the following files. Open EasyTag Windows driver USB package. Then you can see drivers for Windows 7, 8, and 10, both 32-bit and 64-bit. Select a compatible driver for your computer. Here, 64-bit Windows 10 is used as an example. Locate the driver directory, right-click eUSB, and click on Install. If prompted, click Yes to confirm. Once the driver is installed, you can proceed. Launch the PkgBurnPro upgrade tool. Select the upgrade package while keeping the disk setting at default. Disconnect all power cables to ensure the device is powered off. Use the ejector pin to press and hold the U button on the device. At the same time, connect the device to the computer. Once the flash tool detects the connection, the upgrade will start automatically. After the upgrade starts, you can release the pin. During the process, you may be prompted to format the device. Click Yes. Please note that formatting will erase all contacts on the device, so make sure to back all necessary data prior to flashing. The whole process may take 2 minutes. The progress bar shows 100% upon upgrade completion. After completion, the tool will verify the data. After verification success, a success message will appear indicating upgrade completion. You can then disconnect the device from your computer. You can check if the upgrade is successful by sending the version command via SMS or the designated platform by sending edit command version in SSCOM. Please note, that concludes how to upgrade the video module. Any future optimization of the process will be based on this. The memory card upgrade is to perform an upgrade by transferring the upgrade package saved on the memory card to the device without consuming device data. This method also requires physical access to the device. Please note that only the video module supports memory card upgrade. Before starting, please contact your account manager to get the latest firmware package for a specific model. Prepare the following tools or materials. Then proceed with the following steps. Download the package via the provided link. Insert the TF card into the card reader and connect it to your computer. Make sure it is identified by your computer. Format the TF card. Go to this PC. Right-click on the USB drive. Select Format and FAT32. Click Start and then Yes. After formatting, open the drive and copy bin file to its root directory. Safely eject the TF card from your computer. Ensure that the device and power cable are not connected to the DC power supply. That is, the device should be shut down. Then insert the TF card into the device correctly. Connect the positive B and ACC to the positive of the DC power supply and the ground to the negative. Then adjust the DC power supply to 12 voltage. The first boot may take about 2 minutes. When the 3 LEDs flash or are solid on, the device has powered on successfully. The upgrade is expected to take about 5 minutes. Please wait for the device to complete the upgrade and ensure constant power supply during the process. After the upgrade is complete, remove the TF card from the device and delete the upgrade packet via your computer. Once the packet is deleted or the TF card is formatted, you can use the TF card on the device. You can check if the upgrade is successful by sending the version command via SMS or the designated platform by sending edit command version in SSCOM. This is all about upgrading the JC371 video module via a memory card. Any future optimization of the process will be based on this. If the device is already installed in a vehicle, functions normally, impossible to access physically, you can upgrade the two modules remotely via OTA. An OTA upgrade is performed through wireless network, where the device downloads the upgrade packets from the cloud using device data, verifies the packets, and then performs the upgrade. This method requires the device to be online with a stable network connection. Currently, only one OTA method is supported, that is, using the JMI IoT OTA system. We will help configure the OTA's tasks for a specific model, and you may need to follow these steps. Contact us with an official channel or your account manager and specify your requirements. We will set up the necessary configuration in our OTA system. Once configured, the device will detect the upgrade task and download the packet from the cloud upon a NAS login. The device will start the upgrade automatically after downloading and verifying the packet. No further actions are needed, but wait for the upgrade to finish. If you want to check if the upgrade is complete, just send the version command via SMS or the designated platform. That wraps up today's video. We hope the information helps you understand the upgrade measures and steps for the JC371 series. If you encounter any further issues, please feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.